Hello everyone. Let's find the integration by substitution method of number 1, the integral of x divided by square root of 1 minus 4x squared. Number 2, the integral of x plus 2 squared dx. So let's start with number 1. We have the integral of x divided by square root of 1 minus 4x raised to power 2. So the first thing to do here, remember we're using the substitution method, all right? So the first thing here, we just say let u be equal to 1 minus 4x squared, okay? Remember this is a definite integral. This is a definite integral, okay? Now from here, we find du with respect to dx, and this is equal to negative 8x. Okay, now from here, let's multiply both sides by dx divided by negative 8. Let's multiply here by dx divided by negative 8. So now, if you simplify here, we'll have du divided by negative 8. This is equal to x dx. Okay, and let's call this one question part 1. Now from here, we have from our integral function x divided by square root of 1 minus 4x squared dx. So x dx is the same thing as du divided by negative 8. So we'll have the integral of du divided by negative 8 divided by square root of 1 minus 4x squared, which is u. So let's substitute this in u. Now the next step here, let's separate this as, now we have negative 1 over 8, the integral of du divided by square root of u. So x dx is equal to du divided by negative 8. Substituting this, we'll have the integral of du divided by negative 8, all this divided by square root of u. Now this is the same thing as negative 1 over 8, the integral of du divided by square root of u. Now from what we have here, we can write the square root of u. Remember, if you have the square root of a, this can be expressed as a to power half. Okay, so now applying this property, this follows that this is negative 1 over 8. Now we can write this as the integral of u to power negative half du. Okay, now this follows that we'll have negative 1 over 8. Okay, then we'll have u to the power of negative half plus 1 divided by negative half plus 1, then plus c. Okay, now from here we'll have negative 1 over 8. Okay, so that we'll have u to the power of negative half plus 1. This is u to power half divided by negative half plus 1. This is half. Okay, all this plus c. Okay, now we are saying that this is u raised to power negative half plus 1. Okay, remember we're applying this property that if you have the integral of a x to power n, okay, dx, this can be integrated as a x to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Now this is the property we have applied here. So that now from what you have here, this is equal to negative 1 over 8 into the bracket. This is the same thing as 2 u raised to power, this is half plus c. But now from what we have here, but u is equal to 1 minus 4x squared. So let's substitute this. Now we'll have negative 1 over 8 times 2, okay? And then we'll have 1 minus 4x squared, okay, raised to power half. So let's simplify here by 2. By 2, this is 4. So that finally we'll have negative 1 over 4 square root of 1 minus 4x squared plus c. Okay, so this is the solution to the first integral. So let's solve the second integral. Let's solve the second integral. The second integral, which is basically the integral of x plus 2 raised to power 2 dx. Okay, so this is what we have here. We have x plus 2 raised to power 2 dx. So let's integrate this. So we're going to say that let u be equal to x plus 2. Okay. Now let's integrate the second function, which is the integral of x plus 2 raised to power 2 dx. Okay. So we begin by saying let u be equal to x plus 2. X plus 2. So that du with respect to dx, with x, this is equal to 1. Okay. So from here, that means that du is equal to dx. Let's substitute this. So from this function, we'll have the integral of u to power 2 du. Okay. Now, given the function that if you have the integral of ax to power n, okay, dx, we can integrate this as ax to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is a definite integral. This is a definite integral. A definite integral. Now, from what we have here, this follows that this will be u to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus c. But u is equal to x plus 2. So let's substitute this. So this means that we'll have x plus 2 raised to power, this is 2 plus 1 raised to power 3 divided by 2 plus 1, which is 3, then plus c. And this is the solution. Okay, so thank you for watching. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Kindly subscribe.